Well, hey everybody, glad you can make it back. Thanks for tuning in here. Check out what we've got going on. Back out here in the back part, back behind the creek and one of the back parts of the property here. Working on getting all this stuff cleaned up. The other day had to end up, I signed off, was going to go ahead and do a little bit more working, and shortly thereafter I got rained out. So we're back here again. Still got a pretty good mess, but we're going to take, and I threw the forks on the tractor, and we're going to see if we can dig out some of those other logs over there. Don't know, not real sure, and see if we can push all this scrub brush, all that good stuff back. So I'll walk over here real quick and see exactly what this little run through looks like, where water drains and all that. Yeah, you can see right in there, she's full of water again. So yeah, I'm gonna have to be careful with that. I don't necessarily see it running out anywhere up there, but it's sure wet right there. So, and I know it's soft. I know it's real soft. Anywho, so I'm going to throw you guys over here on the tractor and let you ride along with me for a little bit and see if we can't get some of these logs picked up. So look, it's become a party.
Oh, I don't want to be on YouTube, babe.
Oh, too late. She's gonna be in there. That's gonna make the cut too.
No.
Yeah. So anywho, let's talk to them real quick. Had to change the bucket out, all that good stuff. Coop's got one of his buddies over here. We're gonna put the bucket on it, push on through the hill up here, and going about that way. The wife come back, talk to me, see what I was tearing up back here. Say hi. Say hi. Just say hi.
No.
Yeah. No hi there. Rafe, you say hi?
Hi.
Yep. See? Cooper?
Hi.
Yep, he's got that. Okay, there we go. Cool. So anywho, we'll go shove some of that stuff back there and I'll let you ride up here next to me. All right, so right up ahead of me is that clearing I made the other day. I'm gonna try and push my way through, shove that stuff off into that clearing, see if I can get over there real quick. Kick the bush hog on here and mulch some of this stuff up while we're going over top of it, at least. Really don't like the situation I'm in here. That sucks. Well, we're gonna go ahead and head on around to the other side of that. That leads right in there to where I've cleared that spot out the last time. The one I was telling you about, where I just got busy and got with it and all that. So hopefully the audio on this isn't too bad. I broke the mount for my camera, or my microphone. So that's all right. I was looking at getting a new mic. Possibly like a lavalier mic, that way, you know, I can have the camera running, still be able to talk to you guys. That's the main thing, because I kind of hate, you know, doing a video and not really being able to talk to you very well over the tractor and all that. So I think if I get a lavalier mic, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that and see what it does. So anyway, we're heading back here at the back. Yeah, struggled a little bit to get up this hill. Still a little damp. Got a rain shower yesterday and a couple days ago. We'll head back over here and see if we can't get in from the other side. It's just going down through there in that bottom. I don't want to get this thing hung up. I don't have anything quite big enough to pull it out. The Ford tractor, it's down for the count right now. I think it's like a 1957 model, and the rear main seal is leaking on it. It's been sitting in the barn for about a week, and went in there the other day and looked, and there's like a quart of oil underneath it. I'm like, oh, that's no good at all. So I looked, fired it up for a minute, drove it out. Whenever I drove it out, that's when I realized it left a trail, solid stream. So yeah, I think the rear seal went out in the motor. These things happen. So we're going back down this here. Let's see. I don't know if this will give you any idea of how actually steep this really is. But where we're working is literally just right there. That's it. That's where we're working at. So I'm going to try and see if I can shove my way through this backside back here. Make something happen there. Let's see if I can just hang you guys in a tree or something for a minute. And sit back, watch. Keep your fingers crossed, hope I get through there. Well, sometimes these things happen. I wasn't paying attention like I should have been. Tried to back over a tree. It was way too big. It's let's see here. That one right there. And whenever I did, something was gonna give. Right here. Of course it was gonna give. Bent the metal. So back to the barn for a minute. Should work. Ain't pretty. Beat it up pretty good. On to the back. See if we can get that finished up. That's my main goal for the day. Just get that finished. Alrighty, I don't know if you guys can tell, but looking around back here behind me, I've managed to make pretty good headway today. Yeah, I'm very pleased, very pleased. The tractor's done really well, other than that one tree I backed over by accident. Yeah, those things happen. That's where I started this morning, up in that corner right there. I don't know if this necessarily does it justice how truly steep that is down through there, but yeah, it's it's pretty steep. It's pretty steep. So anywho, I'm gonna sign off for the day. I'm gonna pack it up. I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm hot. It's humid. I got a real dark rain cloud over top of me, so it's a good time to quit. I think it's been sprinkling on and off all day. Do me a favor, if you like the content we're putting out, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, like our channel there, or like this video I should say. And if you want to see more stuff that we're putting out, hit the little bell notification. That way, you know, every time we put a new video out, it'll tell you about it. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Signing off for now.